Hey, it's Pipiads. If you want to know which products are trending on TikTok, in this video, I have the most viral products on TikTok for your consideration. Let's take a look. Today, our first winning product is the magnetic window cleaner. This is a double-sided window cleaning system. Using strong magnetic force, you just need to stand on the comfortable side and can clean the inside and outside the glass at the same time. This is very effective for high-rise windows and shower doors, since in these scenes, the outside of the glass is difficult to reach. The magnet glass wiper is made of high-quality ABS material, rubber, and ferrite. The total weight is about 600 grams. Very light and durable. The suggested selling price is 29.9 euros, with the product costing on AliExpress 18.08 euros, which would leave you with a great profit. Our next winning product is the Puking Egg. This ridiculous puking egg ball might be the next best stress reliever there is. Just give the squishy egg ball a squeeze, and it pukes out some yellow gooey goodness. Squish the ball again and let him suck his own vomit back up, and it's oh so satisfying to watch. The recommended selling price is 9.8 euros and the product cost on AliExpress is 1.38 euros. That's all we have to share about today's best winning products. Thanks for watching.